Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating core prerequisites. Make sure your Anime Ranger X build matches the guide and that Stage 3 is unlocked. Once done, collect 3 energy cores and at least 2,000 credits so you can afford necessary drops and respawns. Now equip a scout drone and toggle item drop bonuses in settings. This increases rare spawn rates. Begin the run immediately after setup, because timing and enemy order matter for triggering the android head encounter later on. During the mid-run, keep your pace high and control crowds so the miniboss appears on schedule. You want minimal delays. Focus fire with plasma and stun effects to create the specific damage pattern that opens the android head spawn window. Once the miniboss reaches the critical health threshold, slow to 1/2 speed when dodging and immediately consume an energy core within 10 seconds. This synchronizes the spawn script. Make sure to maintain drone proximity so it can pick up the head token auto. At the end, prioritize grabbing the spawning head token and retreating to base as soon as possible so you can craft the android head before the timer expires. If the head doesn't spawn, stop, reset the run, and toggle drop bonuses off and on. Also verify your platform version and drone is active. Once you have the token, save the game first, then spend 500 credits to craft. If crafting fails, reload the save and repeat the sequence. This usually clears transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.